Hello friends and welcome back to the Radeon channel. So friends, today I will talk about GMTec eGPU1 brand new Radeon RX 7600M XT eGPU with OCuLink port. So friends, the GMTec has announced they install with Radeon RX 7600M XT GPU, which means that is not upgradable and replaceable down the road. And the RDNA 3-based 7600M XT is a decently potent GPU which is commonly found in gaming laptop. However, the GPU is paired with clarity of 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is might not be enough for a number of modern demanding titles, considering that AMD GPU generally need for VRAM and then NVIDIA counterpart. In terms of port, the ADGP1 support dual HDMI 2.1 port, dual HDMI DisplayPort 2.0, USB 4 and OCuLink port, and it's priced around 460 USD dollars. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.